everybody, it's Gail, the Happy Stamper. Thanks for stopping by. I know it's been forever. Lots going on here with me over the summer. All is good, but I wanted to get down to this. I have got a huge de-stash going on. If you are local to me, outside of Chicago, if you're in the Chicago area, let me know, and I will give you information. I am going to be having a huge garage sale locally here, so let me know. But let's just get down to this, okay? Two of these are Tim Holtz, and one is a Victorian de-stash. This is going to be PayPal only. If you're interested in one of these lots, please down below leave your email. I will send you a PayPal invoice, and you'll have 24 hours to pay the invoice. If not, it'll go on to someone else. I will not be doing any kind of holding or anything like that. So please pay upon invoice, and if you have any questions, let me know. All prices include shipping. So when you see the price here, $50, that includes the shipping as well. All right, so just leave your email information where I can send the invoice and also what lot you're interested in. So let's get down to it. This is lot number 1. This is a Tim Holtz lot, and there's lots of goodies in here. Okay, let's start with this. This is a Tim Holtz paper pad. Ooh, there's something inside here. A Tim Holtz paper pad. And this is the cover of it. The back broke off. This is Paper Stash. Crowded Attic, I believe is what it's called. And I don't even know if I used any of the papers from it. I really doubt it. I tried getting on this kind of vintage cool kick, and it just didn't work for me. But the back paper cardboard came off. So you can see there, it's pretty much new. I don't think I ever used it. So you're going to get the 12 by 12 Crowded Attic. And you can see here, these are all the papers that are in the paper pad. Pretty cool stuff. You're also going to get, and a lot of this is brand new, has never been opened. You get these little corners. I was going to make like a jewelry box with it and put like a memory book or a little scrapbook in it. But you're going to get these. These are called foundations, brand new. You're also going to be getting the swivel clasps. Again, brand new. This is cool. It's called film strip ribbon, but it's actual ribbon, but it's the film strip, and it comes in this super cute container. And again, that's brand new. I'm just throwing this in here. It's a Recollections birdcage kind of a thing. This I must have opened because there's 4 letters missing. This is Type Charms, and the charms are in here, and then also the sticky letters. So I must have like spelled out my name for something maybe, but the rest of the letters and the charms are there. You'll get some of these cool keys from K & Company. This again is brand new. This is a mask. It's the Flourish mask. Maybe if I go this way with it, you can see it. It's the Flourish mask. I got this to do some cool Halloween stuff, and then never got around to it. You're going to get a package of 3. These are really heavy metal. They have adhesive on the back. One says, Marriage, the beautiful blending of 2 lives, 2 loves, 2 hearts. Anyways, they're kind of like book plates that you could put on a scrapbook page or a album. So there's 3 of those. You're going to get these. You're going to get 2 more keys, one in gray and one in this cool kind of a burn red. You're going to get this brand new ribbon. This is the ruler ribbon from Tim Holtz. It looks like this up at the top. Very cool. You're also going to get the Alpha cards. This is brand new, never been opened. Alpha cards. And you're going to get 2 packs, brand new, of the foliage, and these are the metal pieces, and you can stack them together. You can use them individually, but these are all the pieces that come inside, and you can do cool things with them, make charms, layer them, put them on pages, on the covers. These are wonderful. You're also going to get the mini masks, and this is a crown and flourish. And then I'm just throwing this in here, but it's rub-ons and it's these roosters. Okay, so that is going to be lot number 1. Just move this out of the way. Lot number 2 is also a Tim Holtz lot. This is going to be $50 shipped. And it's somewhat similar to the one I just showed you. Let me get this out of here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, this one is the French Industrial 12 by 12 pad. Again, I don't ever recall using this, so I'm certain it's all there. If I did, maybe a page. I don't even think I ever did that. I just could not get into it. So this is the French Industrial by Tim Holtz. You can see all the different images there, 12 by 12. You're going to get the brand new facets. These are beautiful. I hemmed and hawed, but yeah, you're going to get the facets. These are gorgeous. This also has the ruler ribbon, brand new. Also some from Creative Imagination. These are 6 brads and they're metal. You're going to get the foundations. Again, these are great corners if you want to put them on a box or an album. It can stand up, but these are cool, brand new, never been opened. These are beautiful. These are the accoutrements, and these are just very regal buttons. Again, brand new, never been opened. You're going to get a package of keys from K & Company. I did use one from there. You're also going to get label holders, and they come with the little brads, and you can put like a little placard on the side of an album, the front, inside cover, use them on your pages. This was really cute. This is the mini lantern, and it actually lights up. It is so cute. It's brand new, mini lantern, so you will get that as well, and that is so adorable. You're going to get these, write your own story, little bits and bobbles. You're going to get a large key. You can see from the size of my hand, it's the size. And this is in the burn red. These are really cool. Again, this was so awesome with Halloween coming. But these are bingo boards and calling cards. And they're super cool. So these came from Tattered Angels, but they go so well with the Tim Holtz. It's that very vintagey kind of a look. You're going to get the Adage tickets. Some of them have been used, but there is still a whole bunch in here. Lots of them in here. So you'll get the book of tickets. You're going to get a little package of these wooden embellishments. This is another bingo boards and calling cards, Victorian inspired decorative papers. They're perfect for scrapbook cards, crafts, decor, anything more. You can use your sprays with them, but you can see here, this one has a pumpkin. So these are just perfect for Halloween and fall. These are some chalkboard labels with the piece of chalk I'm going to throw in. And then here are more tags. These are tattered tags, and these are called tattered trinkets. And I think I just opened it and looked at them. I don't think I ever used any. Okay, so that set is going to be $50 shipped, and that was lot number 2. And then my last one for this video is lot number 3. This is also $50. Oh my gosh. Okay. I stuck this in here. It's a remnant I used. But you're going to get these beautiful papers from the Lost and Found My Mind's Eye. They're sparkly, they're pink, they're pretty, they're glittery, they're vintagey, they're beautiful. And they are double-sided. So you're going to get both. Well, you can see both sides. You're also going to get the 6x6 paper pad. This is called Follow Your Heart, and I never used it. Again, double-sided, but it's the pretty pinks and creams and grays and baby blue, and it's beautiful. So those are all here. Again, that's Follow Your Heart, and you can see all the different patterns that are here that coordinate with the 12x12 paper. You're also going to get, this is the Lost and Found Market Street Lovely chipboard album kit. And it's got the album here, and the ring is included in the back. So you're going to get the little album as well. You're going to get a sheet of Lost and Found. These are glitter stickers. You're going to get a bag of rosettes with all sorts of embellishments and flowers in there. They're just beautiful. Here is another one. You're going to get a bag full of all sorts of little cameos, some rhinestones, some flourishes, ribbons. That's just one little package of goodies. You're also going to get these beautiful I Am Roses. These are paper roses. Just so pretty, though. So, so pretty. Oh, and you're going to get these. Those are just some punch-outs that you can use. Here's another little bag of goodies that you are going to get. There is some paper clips, a pretty book plate again, picture frame, and some rhinestone self-adhesive flourishes, and a little butterfly. You're going to get another bag of I Am Roses, and this is an assortment of roses, sprays. There's a little glitter bird in there. There's some little tiny flowers in there as well. So you'll get a nice assortment. And again, all the colors and everything matches. You're going to get 3 different beautiful ribbons, and these have the beautiful rosettes on them in dark brown, a cream, and in white. You're going to get another little bag with all sorts of little goodies. You're going to get tags that go with the collection. You're going to get some die-cut birds. You're going to get the bird cage, the dress form. There's these tags as well. This is really just jam-packed. You're going to get a picture frame. You're also going to get a wooden dress form in here. You're going to get the wooden dress form from Kaisercraft. You're going to get a little frame. You're going to get a card that you can use, some envelopes, and again, more cut-aparts here. This is an amazing package. All right, what else here? You're going to get some more ribbon like this. That must have fallen out of this bag. You're also going to get cream and pink and a ruffled off-white. You're going to get a bag full of all little bits and baubles and beads and jewels and gems and all sorts of little goodness. Here's some ribbon also. Now, the ones that are rolled up in the bag are longer. This was just an extra one, so I'm just going to throw that in. Here are some smaller strands of ribbon. These have the tight little roses. You're going to get another bag with all sorts of ribbons jam-packed in here. Beautiful ribbons, pearls, the whole shebang. Another bag with greens and pinks, and that has the rosettes in it as well. And then you are also going to get 3 strands, I'm sorry. You're going to get hearts. These have the teardrops on them. And then this one has the pearls. And then there's also little teeny tiny pearls in there as well in pink. So that is lot number 3. Holy cats, that is ginormous. That is lot number 3. I'm just going to call this the My Mind's Eye Victorian lot. So if you're interested, that is $50. The 2 Tim Holtz lots, number 1 and number 2, are also $50. Everything includes shipping. Leave what lot you would like down below in the comments section beneath this video with your email address, and I will send a PayPal invoice right away. So have a great day, you guys. Great to talk to you. Haven't seen you in forever. Hugs from me to you, and I'll be back soon. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.